Guys, this is my new 14-inch carbon steel wok. Rhino brand, made in Malaysia. So I bought it from Lazada and it cost me about 40 ringgit. So later I'm going to show you how to season it and how to take care of your carbon steel wok for cooking. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Yeah, so it's very oily. We have to wash this off with soap and detergent. Okay, so we've washed off most of the oil, but we still need to burn it over the stove to ensure that all of the oil is smooth. The color of the wok is changing from grey to black and then to blue silver. So you need to wait until the whole, the entire wok has changed. So if a high pressure burner, it takes until even like a minute or two. But at home it might take a longer time. Make sure the oil is evenly distributed over the entire wok. So basically let it smoke. Let the oil smoke on the wok. So you do this process about 3 or 4 times. You get a nice sheen. It becomes a bit black. One more time, and you can see that the wok is turning a dark color. It's already black now, and this is what will provide the non-stick properties to your carbon steel wok. Done, and over time when you cook with this wok, it will get better and better. Oil so that it doesn't rust, because when you keep this, it's gonna has oil all over. So that's done. This is how it should look. Okay, let's try it out. Let's try just to see how good this wok is. Takes some minutes, but you can see that there's very little stuck to the wok itself, so that shows that it's quite non-stick. So you can see the wok is actually there's no egg stuck to the wok itself, so it's quite successful.